guys, I'm popping in to show you a shampoo that I've been completely loving recently. This is it right here. I know, it doesn't look like a typical shampoo. These are Beauty Kubes, shampoo cubes from Eve of St Agnes. And this is a Cornish brand, a UK brand. This is the product. To use them, you get it wet in the shower or in the bath, crumple it up in your hand, and then you just massage the kind of liquid that it becomes onto your scalp. It lathers up beautifully, there's no SLS, it's vegan, cruelty-free, smells amazing. This one in particular is for oily hair because I get really greasy hair and it works amazingly. I only have to wash my hair, I'd say once a week, and it works so brilliantly. Because I wanted to get away from using so much plastic in my life, I swapped from regular shampoo in a plastic bottle to shampoo bars, but I found that they just didn't work for me, and the one that did had SLS in it, which is something that can really irritate your scalp if you are sensitive to it. So the thing I love about these is that not only does it lather up like shampoo bars tend not to do, but it lathers up without any SLS. It works brilliantly, and my scalp and my hair feels so clean afterwards. I cannot recommend them enough. This is the box again, and I hope that you try it.